Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change background color on Instagram story. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you are there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the story section and then go to the camera and click any picture and then tap on the three dots on the top right. Now tap on draw. Now select any color you want. Suppose I'm selecting this yellow and keep tapped on the screen. And once it is fully done, tap on the tick mark on the top right and the background color is set. If you want to change it, tap on the dots again, tap on draw, select a new color, keep tapped on it, tap on the tick mark, and here now add any picture you want from here, from the photo section in here. So yeah, this is how you can just change background color on Instagram story. Hope this video helped you out and we will see you in the next video.